At RejuvStem, we are proud to be one of the few clinics in the world with access to DEZAWA Muse Cells, the hidden gems of regenerative medicine. So, what makes DEZAWA Muse Cells so special? They're a rare subset of stem cells, only about 1 to 3% of mesenchymal stem cells. But, unlike ordinary stem cells, Muse cells are built with something extraordinary, a natural GPS system. When infused, they can send signals from damaged or inflamed tissue and travel directly to where your body needs healing. Regular stem cells often get stuck in places like the lungs, but Muse cells find their way to the injury. And when they arrive, they don't just help from the sidelines, they transform. Heart cells, nerve cells, liver cells, muscle cells. Whatever your body needs, they can become it, becoming part of the repaired tissue itself.
I'm here with Dr. Mari DEZAWA. We're at Tohoku University in Sendai, Japan. I'm Chirag Shah, founder and CEO of RejuvStem. And I'm here today because we learned about an amazing discovery of something known as Muse cells, M-U-S-E. And over the last 17 years, Dr. DEZAWA has dedicated her life and efforts to studying the benefits of Muse cells and what these cells can accomplish. I'm proud and honored to announce that we will be having access, one of the very few clinics in the world to be having access to these Muse cells. We've had great results with MSCs for our patients, but Muse cells is going to take this entire regenerative medicine space to the next level.
We know that Muse cells are pluripotent. They reside mainly in the bone marrow. They are mobilized constantly into the peripheral blood. They will circulate our tissues, and they were supplied to every tissue, and thereby the Muse cells are replacing, and they are finding out the damaged tissue or the cells that are nearby cells, and then they clean up the dead cells or damaged cells, and at the same time Muse cell capture the signals that are necessary for differentiation. In the last moment, Muse cells, after phagocytosis and cleaning the cells, they will differentiate into the same cell type, and then they replace the damaged cells into healthy functioning cells. And like that manner, they will do that every tissue,
Amazing.
to maintain the homeostasis
Right.
over the tissues everywhere.
So unlike MSCs, Muse cells have a homing signal known as S1P. So where the damaged tissue site will be sending out a signal, a beacon, you can say, like a homing signal, when it's S1P, and that's what the Muse cell is attracted to. Once the Muse cell attracts to that area, it starts getting to do its work through a process called phagocytosis, which Dr. DEZAWA just talked about. Is that correct? Would you say
Yes,
that?
yes,
The Muse cells are much more targeted, much more precise. It's a new technology that Dr. DEZAWA is bringing now to people in the world.
Footage from an experiment shows Muse cells replacing damaged cells. This is the heart of a rabbit that suffered a heart attack. The circled area is the affected part 2 weeks after Muse cells were administered. The footage was processed to make the Muse cells light up in green. This confirms that Muse cells can restore damaged tissue by replacing compromised cells with healthy, functional ones.
And again, we at RejuvStem are super excited and proud to be one of the first in Mexico to offer this to our patients.
This is the next generation of stem cell therapy, precise, powerful, and long-lasting. And at RejuvStem, we're honored to bring this breakthrough to the world.